brothers are back with yet another video. In this video, I'll be discussing about natural disasters and safety measures that we can take to save ourselves. First of all, what are natural disasters? Natural disasters occur as a result of natural processes of Earth which may cause mass destruction. The first disaster that we will discuss is tsunami. Tsunamis typically consist of multiple waves that rush ashore like fast rising tide with powerful currents. When tsunamis approach shore, they behave like very fast moving tide that extends much farther inland than normal water. If tsunami causing disturbance occurs close to the coastline, a resulting tsunami can reach coastal communities within minutes. Tsunamis are ocean waves triggered by large earthquakes that occur near or under the ocean. When these earthquakes occur beneath the sea, waves are formed as a result. When large areas of the seafloor elevate, a tsunami can be created. Even small tsunamis are 6 feet high and are capable of knocking someone off their feet. If you feel like a tsunami is developing, just rush out and try to find a higher place. Next, we will discuss about floods. Floods are the most common natural disaster. A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land. This results because of heavy rainfall, cloudburst, overflowing rivers, broken dams, lack of vegetation, and melting of glaciers. Rapid flowing streams can sweep you off your feet and your vehicle downstream. Remain alert if you live in flood-prone areas. Move to higher ground if flooding threatens. Use caution at night. The next natural disaster that I'll be discussing is earthquake. Earthquake is sudden shaking of the ground caused by the passage of seismic waves through Earth's rocks. The location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called the epicenter. The size of the earthquake is called its magnitude, which is measured by the Richter scale. Earthquakes with magnitude more than 6 can cause a lot of destruction. In 1960, one of the strongest earthquakes occurred in Chile of magnitude 9.5. This earthquake killed 1,655 people and injured 3,000 and displaced 2 million. If you experience an earthquake, rush out of your house or duck under a sturdy table or go on a flat ground with no tall trees or buildings or go in a corner of your room. Next, I will discuss about tornado. A tornado is a narrow, violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Because wind is visible, it is hard to see a tornado unless it forms a condensation funnel made up of water droplets, dust, and debris. Tornadoes can be among the most violent phenomenon of all atmospheric storms we experience. Tornadoes occur in many parts of the world, including Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and South America. Even New Zealand reports about 20 tornadoes each year. Two of the highest concentrations of tornadoes outside the US are Argentina and Bangladesh. If tornado occurs, go to a basement if you have one. Get in the innermost room of your house. Avoid rooms with windows. Crouch and use your arms to protect your head and neck. If you live in an area with a frequency of tornadoes, listen to forecasts. Next natural disaster is landslide. Landslide is very common in hilly areas and can cause a lot of destruction. A landslide is defined as the movement of a mass of rock, debris, or earth down a slope due to gravity. The materials may move by falling, toppling, sliding, spreading, or flowing. Landslides can be triggered by rainfall, snow melt, changes in water level, or disturbance by human activities. Globally, landslides cause billions of dollars in damage and thousands of deaths and injuries each year. As safety measures, do not build near slopes, close to mountain edges. Have flexible pipe fitting installation to avoid gas or water leaks. Listen to the weather forecast. Remain awake during nights of heavy continuous rain and be ready to move to a safer location. Look out for landslide warning signs like doors or windows jamming, new cracks appearing in the walls, tilt in poles and trees. Next disaster we will discuss is volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruptions happen when lava and gas are discharged from a volcanic vent. A volcanic eruption is an awesome display of Earth's power. Yet, while eruptions are spectacular to watch, they can cause disastrous loss of life and property, especially in densely populated regions of the world. If you are staying near a mountain which can erupt, then listen to the local radio for any warning. Close all the windows and doors and cover your nose and mouth if there is an eruption. If you are driving, stop, park your car on the side of the road. Next disaster that I'm going to discuss can cause a lot of destruction to our Mother Earth. It is forest fire. Forest fire, uncontrolled fire occurring in vegetation more than 6 feet in height. A big forest fire may spread rapidly through the topmost branches of the trees before involving the forest floor. As a result, violent blow-ups are common in forest fires and they may become a firestorm. We all have witnessed forest fire in Amazon rainforest. The fires in the Amazon region in 2019 were unprecedented in their destruction. Amazon is considered as an ecosystem on which the whole world depends. Just imagine what impact this destruction can have on the whole world. It's our responsibility to prevent forest fires. While visiting forests, we should carefully dispose of all flammable things before coming back. We should put out the campfire. Don't set off fireworks in the forest. The last disaster that I will be discussing is avalanche, again which can cause a lot of destruction. Avalanches are masses of snow, ice and rock that fall rapidly down a mountainside. They can be deadly. Falling masses of snow and ice, avalanches pose a threat to anyone on snowy mountainsides. Beautiful to witness from afar, they can be deadly because of their intensity and seeming unpredictability. The center of an avalanche is where the snow moves the fastest. Hence, it is safer to move sideways away from the center. In case we are caught in an avalanche, we should try to swim to the top of the moving snow to stay as close as possible to the surface. In the end, I would like to conclude my video by pointing out the fact that through all these disasters are natural and we can't control them, but still we can do our part by planting more and more trees and make our Mother Earth clean and green. Brainy Brothers are signing out for now. We will be back soon with yet another video. Till then, bye bye. See you very